In the heart of Africa's dense rainforests, an unexpected predator lurks. We often think of chimpanzees as peaceful fruit eaters, playful, social, and intelligent. But few people know that these same creatures are also strategic hunters, capable of teamwork, planning, and even warfare. This is how chimpanzees hunt in the wild. In the heart of Africa's dense rainforests, an unexpected predator lurks. We often think of chimpanzees as peaceful fruit eaters, playful, social, and intelligent. But few people know that these same creatures are also strategic hunters, capable of teamwork, planning, and even warfare. This is how chimpanzees hunt in the wild. Deep in the forests of Central Africa, groups of chimpanzees, known as troops, live in tight social structures. Each troop may have 20 to 60 individuals, ruled by an alpha male. But when food becomes scarce or opportunity strikes, they turn from gatherers to hunters. Their favorite prey? The red colobus monkey. Fast, agile, and almost impossible to catch alone. That's why chimpanzees use something no other predator in the forest does so effectively: teamwork. Before the hunt begins, the chimps gather quietly. Each hunter knows his role. The blockers position themselves below, the chasers move through the trees, and the ambushers wait ahead. The leader gives subtle signals: a grunt, a glance, and the coordinated attack begins. It's not chaos, it's calculated pursuit. They communicate with sounds, gestures, and even eye contact. The level of coordination rivals that of wolves, or even human hunters. This hunt reveals just how advanced chimpanzee intelligence truly is. They anticipate where the prey will go, adjust their positions, and cooperate toward a shared goal. Scientists have documented these hunts lasting up to half an hour, with tactics changing mid-pursuit. When the ambush succeeds, the troop surrounds the prey. The leader delivers the fatal blow, quick, decisive, and brutal. The others gather around, some to share the meal, others simply to watch. It's nature's raw intelligence and raw survival in action. After a successful hunt, the chimps share the meat, but not equally. High-ranking males and females eat first, while lower-ranking members wait for scraps. Meat isn't their main diet, but it's a status symbol, proof of power and teamwork. So why do they hunt at all? Researchers believe it's not just for nutrition, it's social. Sharing meat strengthens alliances, wins loyalty, and cements dominance. In the world of chimpanzees, hunting is both a survival tactic and a political game. From intelligence to emotion, chimpanzees remind us how close we truly are. Their hunts reveal a reflection of our own ancient instincts: strategy, cooperation, and competition. Nature's mirror staring right back at us.